Everybody loves strategy, everybody. But few people understand what strategy really means. For these top leaders, strategy usually means an annual offsite somewhere in a beautiful venue where they think out of the box, they drink out of the box, they come out with the most disruptive idea. It's fantastic. Probably that's the same people go back to the office on Monday and they continue with business as usual, as if nothing happened. We call that the workshop hangover. Then the same leaders during the same workshop will love to use complex buzzwords. If you remember 1 or 2 years ago, we had to build the metaverse. I don't know what happened to the metaverse, by the way, but it doesn't matter because this year it's all about artificial intelligence. And next year, make a guess, we will have to build nanotechnologies, accelerate our ESG strategy, or jump into machine learning. But wait a second. Strategy is not a collection of trendy methodologies. I call that the buzzword bingo. And don't get me wrong, all these tools, these technologies sound amazing to me, but they are just a means to an end. In strategy, you don't implement artificial intelligence for the sake of artificial intelligence. In strategy, you pick a few levers hoping to achieve certain outcomes. Some of these outcomes might be very trendy and fancy, fair enough. But more often, believe me, more often they are not. And that's perfectly fine. What comes next is that our leaders will crystallize, will summarize the different strategic input into the sacrosanct mission and vision. Sounds amazing, right? It looks amazing printed on the wall. But be careful here because strategy is not a wishful thinking exercise. If you aim to change the world, you need to figure out how are you going to get there. If not, you don't have a strategy. I'm sorry to say, you have a decorative strategy, perhaps at best. And then finally, the strategy team or the strategy consultants will compile all the strategy into a thick 500-page document. Actually, the thicker, the better, and the more complex, the better too. It looks like the quality of the strategy should be measured by kilograms or number of pages. Well, I believe it's time to burn your complex documents that nobody really understands anyway, and rather focus on strategic clarity, relevance, and impact.